I was in Greece, Santorini, and I was going on a motorcycle with my friend. She was on my back. And when we were going, there was a big truck coming. And what happened is, like, we had an accident, not with the truck, but on the side, and both my knees were busted. And we tried to find a doctor over there. There was no doctor on that island. There was only one doctor, and they said he's not there. And now I was in Greece, and I was trying to see what to do with this. Uh, but then I sat down and I asked for help from an unknown source, and all of a sudden I realized the pain was gone. Even though there were wounds in there, but the pain was gone, and it started. I walked on that island for 4 hours without any pain. When I came back to New York, that's where I live. I gone to the doctor and I asked the doctor like how much time it will take to heal, and he said it's pretty deep. It may take 3 years or it may never heal fully. And I said, oh, I don't accept that. He said, you understand, you are not that young anymore. And I said, oh, that's because you know my date of birth on the form, but I'm still 25-year-old. And he started laughing, and I said, in 6 weeks, my friend, one of my best friends, her birthday is there. We were going to celebrate in Dominican Republic, and I said, and I have to dance in that birthday. And he said, oh, he laughed, and he said, that's not happening. And I came back, and since I was following Dr. Joe Dispenza since 2014, uh, I came back and I started applying his modalities, and I started meditating to heal it, and I asked for the higher power to unknown to come and help me with that. And 6 weeks from that point, uh, firstly, even like I've gone to the orthopedic, they did it, they said ligament is torn, we have to do the surgery, and we have to do all these other things, and it will take a long time to heal because the ligament is gone, like we had to open it up and everything. But in 6 weeks, I was dancing in Dominican Republic without any pain, uh, and I never got that surgery done. It's like 3 years, everything healed, just by thinking, trying to follow what he teaches us. So I did the meditation. I do the meditation every day. Initially, I started doing the meditation for like 25 minutes every day because like I was trying to figure out whether I got enough time or not, trying to do a lot of things between my work and all the other things. And then it started healing, like I felt it is healing, and then I bumped it up to like a 45 minutes. So I will do 45 minutes, and in 6 weeks, I was up and running. I gone to DR. I celebrated her birthday. We danced all over the place, and it was perfect. And I came back, and they told me, oh well, the orthopedic told me like we have to do the surgery for that ligament. They did all the MRIs and everything. They said, it's torn, so you're not going to heal. It doesn't matter what you do. And I still try to follow the same routine, and I've got no, like that ligament healed by itself. I gone back to the doctor, and doctor said, I've got no idea what you did. And he said, oh, maybe we have to check it back again. And I said, no, we don't have to check it back again. I'm perfect. And they said, oh, we have to do another MRI. I said, no, we don't have to do another MRI. I'm not going for any. I actually disassociate myself from the doctor, and because the doctor is substantially older and he's trying to teach those modalities, and I said, I'm not subscribing to that because, and I did tell him, I said I did meditation and that's how. And he said, oh, I don't know whether that did anything or not. And well, he didn't have to believe. I believed it totally in myself and the meditations I was doing. And um, now anything happens to me, I try to bring in all the good energy into my life, and that helped me in so many other fields, in my personal life, in my career, and that energy keep on staying with me. Like there are a lot of people from that time, like they are asking me what I'm doing, and I try to explain it to them, but they have got trouble understanding. But I still explain it to them, like that's the meditation which is helping me.